everyone, and today in this video we are going to unbox and review this Bass Evolution V6 True Wireless Earbud. So now let's first unbox this and then we will talk about some more features of it and we'll know about the specifications also. We have got in this box. We got one wireless charging case, two earbuds and additional two pairs of silicone ear tips, one Type-C cable and a manual. Connecting the earbuds are so simple. Just take them out from the charging case, then turn on the Bluetooth device of your phone and then just connect to V6. Look, controlling system of these earbuds is quite simple. To power on them, just touch them for 2 seconds, and to power off them, just touch for 5 seconds. To play and pause the music, just give them a single touch. Single touch also works to answer incoming calls, and if you wanted to hang up the call, you just needed to touch them again, and to reject the incoming call, then you have to touch them for 2 seconds. Like if you wanted to increase the volume, then double touch the right earbud and double tapping the left earbud will decrease the volume. For playing the next track, just touch the right earbud for 2 seconds, and for the previous one, touch the left earbud for 2 seconds only. You know, controlling them is so simple. Like if you touch them for 3 times, then you would be able to use your voice assistant tools, whether it is Google or Siri. You can enjoy wireless freedom with V6 True Wireless Earbud with QI wireless charging. These earbuds had immersive audio quality with strong bass and DSP level noise cancellation. Well, this charging case takes only 1 hour to get completely charged, and it has 30 plus hours of playtime, and your earbuds have 6 hours plus playtime, so that means 6 hours multiplied by 5 times, that is 30 hours. That means with the case you can charge your buds for up to 5 times from 0 to 100%. We loved it because it's completely wireless. Its wireless charging adds some more convenience, but you can charge it with a Type-C charger too. Would like to mention this especially, that the calling quality is much better compared to the others in the segment. The swivel design is particularly unique, and its round shape makes it more travel friendly because we can keep with us in our pockets also. We found one more plus point, that they are splash proof, so you can enjoy the music even in rain. Now let me share my personal opinion with you, that what I felt when I used them. Number 1 is its swivel design. It is more pocket friendly because of this. And number 2 is when I use it while watching a movie, this makes me feel and hear the surrounded sound too much, like bird chirping, machine drill and people talking around the main character, etc. So I must say that these earbuds have immersive audio quality. Number 3 is that I can use it even in rain also because it is waterproof, and I really love the music in the rain. Number 4 is its calling quality, which is really very great. Even controls are much easier, what I have just mentioned before. So this is it for these Bass Evolution V6 True Wireless Earbuds. We also avail the link of the same in the description box of this video, so you can check them for yourself also. With this, if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share it with everyone. So stay tuned for more updates regarding filmmaking tips and some gadget reviews like this, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.